because they also have to make money. The free storage is up to 15 gigabytes. Okay? So if you need extra, then you'll have to buy. Okay? So it's really, really, really important that you know this. Okay? As young professionals, you cannot go out to the workforce and then start grabbing your paper. You want to write a memo. No, you don't do that. This day and age, everything is computerized. Everything for that matter. So it's really, really, really important that you understand everything that's relevant. You know, you cannot, of course, know everything. Nobody can know everything. But at least the areas that are relevant to your profession, you need to know them. Okay, so we move on. Now, we have the frame here. These are all the white stuff here. Okay? Can someone help me? These things that run from top to the bottom, and they are named A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, A, A, and so on. What are they called? What are they called? Columns. Okay? They run from top to bottom and are labeled letters, with letters. A, B, C up to Z, then after Z, A, B, like that. Okay, so that thing that runs from left to right and are numbered with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, are called what? Rows. Good. So where they intersect, where a column meets with a row, is called what? A cell. It's called a cell. And every cell has got a name called cell reference. If you click on any of them, it will appear here. Like here, if I click here, I'll see what? I6. What does I6 mean? Column I, the intersection of column I and a row. That's it. Okay, so this is really important. You must know these basics, because without that you won't be able to do any work on your spreadsheet. Okay. Then at the bottom here, this is where we have our worksheets, just like I said. If I click on this, this is my worksheet, and I named it called what? Like a main sheet. This one, I just open it. So if you open it by default, it gives its own name. Okay? Sheet 1 has been used, so that's why it has given it sheet 2. If I click again, it's going to give me another name called sheet 3, like that. So now it is your responsibility to rename it to your taste. Okay. So these are the worksheets. Then you have this toolbar that will allow you to move from one place to the other. I'm doing this for the benefit of those that are completely new to this. Okay. Then at the bottom you have the zoom bar. Okay. So if a worksheet is too small to view, you can zoom it by clicking on the plus. As you can see, the more you click, the more it zooms up. Okay, so if you want to reduce it also, if you want to unzoom it, you can just click on it. Okay, so basically